Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would like to show you this very interesting Breitling Transocean. Just came in for a polish, and I think you agree it looks rather nice again. There is so much going on. Of course, chronograph, moon phase, the date, there the normal seconds, there the month, there the minute counter, day and hour counter. But so much hidden quick set pushers. So for water resistance it can leak on the crystal gasket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places where there is a gasket. So water resistance, please be careful. But it is another interesting factor inside the watch. Look at this. That is a module, but two modules on top of each other. And this is the interesting part. A lovely perlage on the inside. And then here it is an ETA 2892, which is the movement, timekeeping. That is this one, automatic and very flat. And the flatness is of real importance for this particular watch, because if you have a look here, there is something going on. Something really interesting. And I'll show you, because if you're going to do a polish on any watch, the movement has to come out. So I made some pictures. And look at this. Do you see there? There's a whole installation where the winding stem is. Because it's a modular build, so there's the movement. On top of that there's the chronograph module, and on top of that one there is the calendar module. So it is 3 timepieces on top of each other. So if the crown comes in from the middle, like there, it doesn't go into the timepiece. So there is a construction, and I've got a second picture there. You see on the 12 o'clock position a construction that the crown is operating the winding stem, but the winding stem is so much lower in the watch case because it's 3 layers on top of each other. It is insane. So lovely movement. If we have to do a full revision on it, it's so much work, because again the 2892, then the chronograph module, and then again the full calendar module. But what a watch it is. Transocean chronograph, full annual calendar, so no leap year. Really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your thoughts of using the 2892 inside a watch like this. Please leave them in the comments. I read every single one of them. I see you. Thank you. Bye bye.